What's up, Bassinators? Welcome to another episode with me and my fishing partner Jean de Toit, Team TIMOLS. Our first pre-fish of the new season at risk of winter. So we're gonna come and just more see what's what. We're not gonna try and hook into too many fish. Just wanna see what it's all about, and I'm gonna try to shake off most of the fish. We'll see how the day goes. Yeah, so hopefully we have a good one. But keep an eye, keep watching, and I'll see you in a little bit. Hope you enjoy this one. Peace.
That's a very good fish. It's the biggest fish so far. Shit, we're not supposed to be catching these, but fuck. That's a good fish. That is a good fish.
Ali jumped.
weight on it. Some weight on it. Another decent fish.
Midday recap, guys. Yeah, from the morning till now we have been catching fish from alright sizes to 1 or 2 decent sizes, so it hasn't been too bad. We're having a good day, so it's very hot right now. The weather, I don't even know what the degrees is today, but it's hot. It's very hot. And yeah, we're gonna keep on grinding, keep on looking for the good spots and trying to figure out where the big fish are, so that it can give us a good chance at the comp. Anyways, let's keep fishing. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. Peace.
Jesus! Good bite, huh? It's nice to feel that frog bite again.
Nice bite again.
That's a good fish. Looks like a good fish.
That's the keeper.
That's a good fish. Yeah. You don't need a net for that, do you? I'll bring one. It's a decent fish. It's a keeper. Could have even been an upgrade, maybe. Nah, we've caught bigger throughout the day. Finally. Yes, yes. Right, so. Yeah, nice healthy one. Yes. Yeah, every time I land it, you can see movement, but then they don't want to take. Another nice one. Yeah. It's hard not to.
It's like a clock.
Oh my word, John! Did you see the size of that thing? Double up! Mine's big, but look at that! John, this one's big, eh? It's coming, it's coming. Holy, this thing hit me so hard. Check at that. It's fat. It's not as big as I thought, but it's still around probably about the same size we've been catching actually this morning. But yes, it hit me hard. Double up, yeah, no. And it's a double up. Yes, I love the way they jump, bro. So they're so acrobatic. They're fighters around here, bro. I'm loving it. We must have caught, yes, John, it's another quality fisher. Look at that. Oh, that feels heavy. Hey? Another beautiful fish.
Few minutes later.
So guys, it was an awesome day out with Jean today. Our pre-fishing actually went pretty well. We figured out a few patterns, not just one. Like it went well. As you will see in the footage, we caught quite a lot of fish and some decent sized fish. So hopefully that works out for us for comp day. Some of the areas we would catch a fish or two and then we'd move away. So obviously you don't want to hit it hard or anything. And yeah, I think it went very, very, very well. So yeah, okay. So we will be seeing you guys on the next video for the actual comp, and we'll take it from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are going to subscribe and carry on watching me. Peace. See you guys soon. Caught in the crossfire.